Hi guys, welcome back to my another video presentation here, and in this video I'll explain you my skill project that I have made, which is consumer good analytics. And in this project I'll explain you the problem statement and the project overview. Then we'll go with the Atlic business model, then come up with the data set, then an ad hoc request that I have made the queries. So let's talk about Atlic. So Atlic Hardware is a leading hardware company specializing in PC, printers, mic, and computers within a global reach. And the problem statement is Atlic Hardware, a leading computer hardware producer, faced a critical challenge. They need quick and data-informed decisions to stay competitive in the ever-evolving market. The management noticed that they were missing crucial insights from strategic moves, so that's the reason they hired the data analyst so that they can get the quick result and they got the analysis. So the project overview. In this project I will working with the data sets related to the consumer goods. The goal is to answer 10 specific ad hoc requests using SQL queries. So let me explain you the business model of Atlic Hardwares. So they have the customers and the customers platform. So they have the brick and mortars, and in this they have the Chroma and Best Buy, and for the e-commerce they have the Amazon and Flipkart. Then let's move to another one. Atlic Hardware business model. They have the product division. They have the PCs, networking and storage, and then peripherals. So in PCs they have some subdivisions here: personal laptop, gaming laptop, then networking segment they have Wi-Fi extender, USB flash drivers, and so on. So these are the product segments that you can see here. And let's move to the data set. We have the data set that we have made the query on it. So we have the database name GDB023. Then we have the created some tables here. There are 6 tables: DIM customer, DIM product, fact gross price, fact sales monthly, fact manufacturing cost, fact pre-invoice deduction. On the basis of that, we just wrote a query. And the first question that we have requested here to the clients: provide the list of market in which customer Atlic exclusive operates its business in their APAC region. So I have just run here the query, and the output that we got here. Let me explain you through the visualization here. So as you can see here, in APAC region we do have India, Indonesia, Japan, Philippines, South Korea, Australia, New Zealand, and Bangladesh has a presence in several countries across the APAC region, and it reflects a robust market presence and adaptability to differentiate culture and economic context in the Asia Pacific regions here. So these are the countries. Okay, let's move to the second question. It is, what is the percentage of unique product increase in 2021 versus 2020? The final output contains this field: unique product 2020, unique product 2021, and the percentage change. And let me explain you, the financial is starting from this September and it end on August. Okay, so, and I have just run this query. I have used the CDE here, and where we got the output. And the unique product of 2020 is 245, unique product in 2021 334, and the percentage change 36.33. And next slide that I have used the visualization here so that you can see easily what are the difference here. So in 2020 we do have 245, and in unique product in 2021 we do have 334. And let's move on to the third question. Provide a report with all the unique product count for each segment and sort them in a descending order of product count. The final output containing 2 fields: segment, product count. So I have run this query. Here's a simple query. I have run it here, and the output is coming up like this. And in a visual I have presented here. So notebook segment has the highest product count with 129 products. Then second networking segment has the lowest product count with only 9, right? And the second highest would be the S series. Then let's move to the fourth question. For which segment had the most increase in unique product in 2021 versus 2020? The final output contained these field segment product count 2020 and the product count to 2021 difference. So basically I have just run here the CTC and with the join here, and the is outputs is here that I have mentioned. And let me explain you through the visualization here. So you can see here the S series count and the product count. Okay, product count here is 69 for accessories. And let me explain you. Yeah, so accessory segment saw a significant increase in product count with 34 more products in 2021 compared to 2020. All right, and let's move to the another question here. Let's get the product that have the highest and lowest manufacturing cost. The final output should contain these fields: product code, product, and manufacturing cost. So I have just using here join, and then the output is like this. It's showing here. AQ Home Align 1 Generation 2 has a relative higher manufacturing cost of 240.53, and in contrast AQ Master Wire 1 MS has a significantly lower manufacturing cost of 0.892. You can see there. Alright, let's move to another one. So generate a report which contains the top 5 customers who receive an average high pre-invoice discount percentage for this fiscal year 2021. And in the Indian market, the final output contains these fields: customer code, customer average discount percentage. So I have just run the SQL query here, where I perform the join and limit, and then the output we got here: Flipkart, Vivek, Izone, Chroma, Amazon, the other customers, and they have the customer code here, and they have the average discount percentage here. So let me explain you by the visualization here. The Flipkart has the highest average pre-invoice discount percentage at 30.83, and the lowest we do have the Amazon. Here is comparatively lower average discount at 29.33%. Let's move to another question. Get the complete report of this gross sale amount for the customer ethnic exclusive for each month. This analysis helps to get an idea of low and high performance month and take a strategic decisions. And the final report contains these columns: month, year, gross, and sale amount. So I have just performed here the two joins here, and the output we got here. I'm explaining you with the visualization here. So we are just using just some trends here so that you can get the difference. So November 2021 had the highest gross sale amount, reaching 32,247. Sorry, it's 32,247,289, and it contrasts the fiscal year 2021 started with a lower sale in September. You can see, all right, but it still had a significant peak in the November. So let's move to another visual. And the question here: in which quarter of 2020 got the maximum total sold quantity? The final output contained these fields sorted by the total sold quantity, quarter, and total sold quantities. So I have just run here the case statement, and the output we got here: quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. And let me explain to you about the visualization. The highest total sold quantity in quarter 1 is 7 million, then we do have the 6 million, then 5 million, then in our third quarter we do have 2 million. So inside is a seasonal variation sales, with quarter 1 and quarter 2 being the strongest quarter and quarter 3 being the weakest one. Let's move to another question. Question number 9. Which channel helped to bring more cross sales in the fiscal year 2020 and the percentage of contribution? The final output contains these fields: channel, cross sale, and percentage. So I have just used here the CTC and the join together, and for the percentage count we have used the round function here, and then we got the output here: retailer, direct, distributor. These are the channels, okay? And the visualization says here, so the retailer channel counts for the majority of sales contribution to 73.22% of gross sale. All right, and the direct channel also play a significant role of 15.47% of the gross sale, and the distributor channel contribute 11.31% of gross sale. Okay, so this is all about. And the last question will be: get the top 3 products in each division that have a high total sold quantity in the fiscal year 2021. The final output contains these fields: division, product code, product total sold quantity, and rank order. Again, we have used here CD and a join together, and then we got the output here: the top 3 product: AQ Pendrive 2-in-1, AQ Pendrive DRC, and another variant of AQ Pendrive DRC. strong consumer preference for pen drive and related item in the division. Right.